Hi, this is IK. Welcome to Thunk unwrap. The function unwrap is a method of this method of dispatch, add new post, Thunk with parameter title and content. Thunk, add new post, wrap, asynchron process, axios.get. Axios.get return promise, object promise. And the Thunk function return result of promise. Result of promise can be fulfilled or rejected. If fulfilled, result is payload. In this situation, it would be title, content, and ID. If rejected, content of promise when rejected is error. Conclusion, dispatch add the new post title. This is promise. This is promise. And ultimately, promise is payload or error. Both of that is object. Payload is object, error is object. It means all this is object, and the dot unwrap method, unwrap is a method of object, payload, or error. This is promise, object promise. Method unwrap, unwrap content of promise. Unclosed content of promise. Extract content of promise. What is content of promise? Payload or error. Payload of error. Unwrap, extract payload of error or error. What for? Here in this application, for handled error and escape uncaught error by try catch structure. In add new post Thunk, I make error here. Instead of 1, I write 2. It error is in post slice. And now in add post form, I remove this method unwrap. Here is our application, Thunk1, F12, F12 for developers tool in browser, and console is, we look at it console, add AA, title content, save post, and look at, we have one error, post, and 400, bad request, here it is, but look at, it is from post slice, happened in row 16, postslice.js. But left, we see, and I'll add a new post form. And in add new post form, we have construction try catch. This post error, bad request, is outside of access of this try catch because it is in post slice. It means that is stopped by middleware, by Thunk function. And promise in a Thunk function extract, reject, but it take in access of Thunk in post slice in middleware and have not connection with the add new post and the try catch construction in add new post. And add new post don't see that error. We see now that error here in console post slice, but add new post and structure try catch don't see that error. Refresh this, go to add new post and write unwrap function again, back to our application, try to add a save post. Look at, we have, we see add post form the 27, we see failed to save the post, failed to save the post, and all about that. It is Axios error, message, etc. Unwrap method take it from promise, from Thunk. Thunk function is owner of promise. It means unwrap have connection with Thunk, of course, because a Thunk is here. Here is a Thunk, add new post, and here is the unwrap. Very tight connection. And now we have error in add post form 27 row. It means that try catch connection, see error, have error, go inside of catch because register error, go inside of catch and it is manipulation with that error. Console error, it means what we see, it is 27 row and we saw that it is all description of error, Axios error, here it is. And our set error, because it is local, it happens, we created a local error, and by help of unwrap, we now have a global error from Redux. Now here is a local error and go in local fetch, try catch, and look at error saving the post in the bottom of this component. We see if error is exists, write it error. Let's go to user interface. Look at error saving the post. Now we see error saving the post. This error request failed with status 400. It is error what coming here by add case from post slice. And about that, I will speak in other video. Here we have two systems for show error to user interface. It is one by unwrap, and it is second by add case. Both for both is important Thunk action creator. Conclusion: unwrap content of promise. Unwrap unclose content of promise. Unwrap extract content of promise. This is promise, object promise. This is method unwrap. Content of promise can be rejected or fulfilled. Fulfilled is payload, rejected is error. In this application, unwrap, we use unwrap for handled error, for take error from middleware, from Thunk function, Thunk action creator, take promise and unwrap error of that promise. And as this, we have a transformation, we have coming error to add a new post from post slice, and coming error in try catch. Without that, we have not error visible in our construction try catch in add new post component. Thank you for watching this video.